Hello students, this is Effective Technical Communication and I am Professor Uma Joshi from LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss different types of business letters. Now based on different purposes of writing letters in an organization, we have different types of letters because sometimes your purpose is just to inform. The other time your purpose is either to complain or to inquire or maybe to persuade or convince someone. So depending on the purpose, there are different types of letters because the purpose will decide what kinds of words and what tone you will use in a business letter. So let us see the different types of letters. So today we are going to study the sales letter, the order letter, the complaint letter, the adjustment letter, the inquiry letter, the recommendation letter, the appreciation letter, apology letter, acknowledgement letter and the cover letter. So let's see what is a sales letter. Now a sales letter is usually used to improve the sales and increase the profit of an organization. It is written either to existing customers or potential customers. Now in a sales letter, sometimes the introduction of a new product is done, or if there is some new offer or a scheme of an existing product or a service, then it is given in the sales letter. It is always written in a convincing tone because you want that after reading the letter, your customers or your potential customers should buy your product or your services. So a sales letter is a simple letter with information about your products, your services and any discount offers if you have. And it is written in a convincing tone. Focus is there on the advantages of your products or your services and what better you can do for the customers as compared to your competitors. The next letter that we are going to study is the order letter. Now the order letter is a very simple letter. It is always written to either suppliers or vendors. Now you may be the customer of the organization and you want some products, then you may write the order letter. Or you are an organization and you want some products from another organization or maybe the raw materials, then also you will write the order letter. Now whenever you write an order letter, that means that you already had a previous communication with the organization about their products or services. That means that the order letter consists of the reference of previous communication with the organization. Now it should be very clear and precise. That means that you have to give clear specifications about what you want. That means if you are ordering for some products, you have to write the specifications, you have to write what quality you had decided, you have to write about the price, you have to write about the payment terms and conditions, or if any delivery or the transportation is required, you should mention in the order letter. Order letter has to be in a very simple language. There has to be no convincing tone or no firm tone or nothing, but it is a simple letter which informs about your order. So now moving on to the next one, that is the complaint letter. Now the complaint letter is written to inform about some error and to get it corrected. So many times you may have come across such situation where there has been an error from the other side. That means some organization, either you didn't get a proper product or a proper service. So at that time you may be very angry or irritated. But in a business letter you should not show your anger because business communication doesn't have any place for emotions. So what do we write in a complaint letter? And exactly when we write the complaint letter? So first of all, let us examine different situations when you would have to write the complaint letter. So sometimes if you have ordered for a product and it hasn't arrived within time, or you had ordered for products and they came in damaged condition, or they have not even delivered, they have not been delivered to you. Or sometimes there is wrong product that has been sent, or there is some wrong billing that has been sent to you. Now because of this error, you may have come across some problem, or you may have faced some problem. So that is why you want to show the anger. But here we should not show the anger, and we have to be firm. So number one, in a complaint letter, first of all you have to write what was the error. That is, if you have got the products in a damaged condition, then write that. If they have arrived late, then write that. Secondly, you have to mention what problems you face due to that error, because the other organization must realize that because of their error you have really faced a lot of problem. Thirdly, you should challenge the credibility of the organization by saying that we had ordered from you, or we did the business with you because we had heard about your credibility in the market, or we got recommendation from some of our friends or business associates. And finally, you have to clarify what action you want from them. So now suppose there is an error, then definitely you want the error to be rectified. Like, you may want to ask the organization to either compensate the money, or maybe refund, or repair the products and send it back to you, or maybe you want some other kind of rectification of the error. So that you have to mention clearly. Also, you must mention that by what time you want the error to be rectified. So a complaint letter always claims for some action, and that is why it is also called a claim letter. Now in a complaint letter, you always have to mention the references, if there are any, like the bills or the order or anything. Now the next letter is the adjustment letter. Now the adjustment letter is the reply letter to the complaint letter or the claim letter. So it starts with sincere apologies. But after that, you have to give the reason why the problem happened. But the reason should not look like an excuse. You have to give an honest reason for the error. Also inform about the action that you have taken after finding out the error. The action can be like this, that you have reprimanded your staff for doing this error, or you have warned them that this error should not be repeated in the future. So that is the action that you have taken. But then the next action you have to tell them is that you have already sent them the products that they had asked for, or you have already sent them the compensation, or you will, or give them the promise of the action they have asked for. So this is how you have to show that you are ready to rectify the error. And lastly, you have to write in a single sentence about the assurance for the future. For example, you can write down, we are again sorry for the inconvenience caused to you, and we assure you of better services in the future. So this is how you write an adjustment letter. Now the next letter that we are going to do is the inquiry letter. The inquiry letter is the simplest of all, because here you want to inquire about some product or service. So when you want to inquire about some product or service, you have to clearly mention the information that you require, like the specifications, or like if you want to see the pictures of the product, or you want to see the payment, or you want to know about the payment terms and conditions. Everything that you want to know, you mention in the letter. Now this letter is as brief as possible, and you may even mention your introduction and the reason why you want those products, so that the other organization can suggest you some better options also. Inquiry letters can also be written by students to different universities to find out about different courses that are available in the university, along with the fee structures. So this is about the inquiry letter, which is very simple and short. So the next letter is the recommendation letter. Now recommendation letter is written to recommend a person for job, promotion or higher studies. It is written by the reporting authority of a person. Or if it is for the higher studies of a student, then the recommendation letter is written by the principal or the professor of an institute. In this letter, you have to mention the positive aspect of the person. It has to be honest, and you have to mention the skills of the person. Now, recommendation letter is usually written because you want to give the assurance about the credibility of the person and that the person is actually genuine. So that you have to mention that you have been knowing this person since this many years or months. And then lastly, if there is something which is particularly important about the person that has to be highlighted, then please also mention that. So recommendation letter actually helps people in getting jobs, promotions or for higher studies, because organizations and institute wants to take people who are trustworthy. Now the next letter is the appreciation letter. Now the appreciation letter is written to appreciate either the product, service or any employee of an organization. It can be written either to an employee or to the entire organization. Now this appreciation letter is very important for an employee, because if a person is working in some customer service and the customer is really happy and has it in a written form, then it acts as a positive point in the performance appraisal or in the promotion of that employee. So appreciation letter is very, very important. Now it has to be very genuine. It should not look very dishonest. Secondly, appreciation letter must be accompanied by the reason that why you want to appreciate. For some instance that you want to mention that I had come for some service and I have got very good service from this person, or I am very happy about this product. So you have to give the reason of your appreciation. And lastly, you have to thank the person and the organization for the wonderful service or the product you have availed. Now the next letter is the apology letter. The apology letter is different from the adjustment letter, because in adjustment letter we are doing some action or we are rectifying some error, but apology letter is a way of saying no. That means that if you are not able to give some product or a service to your customer, then you may write an apology letter. So the apology letter is a simple letter giving a simple apology of not being able to give some product or service along with the reason. And you have to end this letter with a positive note by saying that we assure you that if in future we are able to serve you, then we will be happy to do that. The next letter that we are going to discuss is the acknowledgement letter. Now acknowledgement letter is a letter which is written for a courtesy sake or just to inform. It is not similar to the appreciation letter. It is only to inform people that we have received something from you. It may be either an email, that is some information, or some product or some service, but it is a plain information just to tell them that we have received this. So this letter is written with a very simple language, and you have to mention the detail of the work that you are acknowledging. So this letter has to be kept very clear and concise. Now the next letter is the cover letter. So you may have heard about the cover letter. When we apply for a job and we send our resume to the company, we write a job application letter along with it. So job application letter is an appropriate example of a cover letter. Actually, a cover letter is written to accompany any other document. So suppose you have to send some documents to some organization or people, then you will write a cover letter mentioning that we are sending this particular documents to you. Kindly acknowledge the receipt of the same. So it is just for the information that we are sending these documents, or it is for the proof that these documents have been sent to you. So we have done today 10 different types of letters, and I hope you have understood all of them, and you will be able to write the letters in a very effective manner. So here we are finishing our business letters. Thank you.